Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. So as the title suggests, the next 24 hours in the Bitcoin price, a lot of things are going to be crystal clear, at least for me and hopefully for you guys, if I can explain this well enough. We're going to go over one level in this video on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So stick around to the end for that. And welcome in, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. If all new subscribers, welcome in, guys. Let's go ahead and dive right into this one level in the chart here, shall we? So today is August the 22nd, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin is $49,111.47, slightly positive 0.5% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, so welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. This is kind of a recap on one of our previous videos. Here's the lines. Okay, so I'm not sure. Do you guys remember the video? We made a post on, it was August the 7th, 2021. Notice the screen there. Same levels, breakthrough level, start here and, end there and everything. At the time of the video in the beginning, it was like $43,000, I think. Yeah, so 43.3, okay? So this is truly the moment, guys. I don't think people truly understand how important this is. This is the 618. Now, I'll briefly explain why I have this red, white, and blue lines on the chart there. If you know, it's just the Fibonacci retracement tool. Take some time kindly to do research on Fibonacci tools, so that way you have a better understanding. But just kind of briefly explaining what I have on the screen here. Basically, the white line that you see there is a 618. It's like, honestly, to me, it's the most important line in the Bitcoin market. It's with the exception of golden pockets and other levels, but the 618 level, whenever Bitcoin is potentially having trouble advancing higher. The reason that I say if Bitcoin may potentially have trouble advancing higher here is because it got stopped at about 64,000. Everyone knows that, okay? And ever since then, the market was making, down, up, lower, high, down, just kind of walking down the stairs. But as of right now, the downtrend is over. Okay, that's been confirmed after the market broke above 40,000. And right now, obviously, it's above 40,000. Okay, so since the market is above 40,000, the next most important level for me would be the 618. And again, the way that I was able to measure the 618 was by taking the most recent swing high, where it says start here, and the most recent swing low, which is $29,500. And that's how I was able to measure my fib, and of course, get the white line, the 0.618. So also, whenever the market has experienced a pause in the trend, remember the overall trend in Bitcoin is to the upside, but when it is experiencing difficulties moving higher, when I say difficulties moving higher, that means it has not broken above the all-time high. So we are in a bull market, yes. But obviously, I can't make up the fact that Bitcoin got stopped out of $64,000 and it moved down in a short-term downtrend. Now Bitcoin is in the process of breaking through the barriers and ultimately making a new high, because that is the buyer's obligation. One way or the other, although everything looks good, Bitcoin still has an obligation to make a new high. If it cannot make a new high, it will be subjected to selling pressure. I can't make that up. I know a lot of people disagree. I'm just a messenger, okay? But as I mentioned, on the Fibonacci retracement tool, so again, if the market is truly going to break out of a downtrend, which again, it did break out of a downtrend because it broke above $40,000, but if there would be one line in the sand to challenge the market from continuing the overall uptrend after getting stopped at about 64,000 and having a short-term downtrend, it would be the 618 level. We are at that level now. So let's get into why I say 24 hours. So far we have a daily candle. We're looking at daily candles here. So far, we do have an official daily candle to close above that white line, the 618. Okay, so that looks good. Beautiful. All right. Beautiful daily close above the 618. But if we zoom out, remember, when you're in doubt, just simply zoom out. That's the cliche, right? We're going to pull up the 3-day candles here. All right, let's pull up 3-day candles. Okay, so far, this is an active 3-day candle, meaning there's 22 hours in a minute. It's actually, I'm on the East Coast here, guys. It's like 9:58 right now, p.m. And within 22 hours and 1 minute, then and only then is when this active 3-day candle will close. It's just shy of that 618. You guys all know them. Bitcoin is a very volatile asset. So if we can get a close above this $48,000 level, beautiful. We should be well on our way. We are invested, just so you know. So if I sound kind of bearish on Bitcoin, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. We are invested. We want to see this market move higher, but I must keep you informed of this, the importance of the 618, the $48,000 level. That is the one level, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, $48,000. From this moment moving forward, if within 24 hours, Bitcoin can close above $48,000 on the 3-day, because again, this is an active 3-day candle here. I'm going to also pull up the weekly candle. We're simultaneously will be closing a weekly candle. Here's a weekly candle. So obviously they're all above the 618. So the moment that Bitcoin closes above $48,000, at that moment, if any price fluctuations close back below the white line at about $48,000, we are in for a treat. I'll just say that, okay? But if Bitcoin can maintain support moving forward after 24 hours from this post, then we are looking so bullish like you wouldn't believe. Okay, guys, like if Bitcoin the sellers cannot get back below $48,000, that's it, guys. So I mean, I don't really know how high Bitcoin is going to go, so I can't really give you any price targets. I think on one of my previous videos we mentioned like maybe a 6-figure Bitcoin. Maybe that's possible. I'm not sure how long it would take, so let's let the markets develop and decide that. I don't decide that, but yeah, guys, $48,000, that's it. If let's close the video, guys. I'm saying the same thing over and over. Within the next 24 hours, if Bitcoin closes above $48,000, and somebody say, dude, you don't realize it's above $48,000 now? Yes, I do realize it's above $48,000. But of course, hopefully we all are on the same page when I say Bitcoin is super volatile, a super volatile asset. It can drop $1,000 in 15 minutes, and it can go up $1,000, $2,000 in 15 minutes. So let's just understand over the next 24 hours, 48,000. If it closes above that level and it maintains support above that level moving forward, that means a week from now, 2 days from now, a month from now, if there's no price fluctuations taking place below 48,000, yeah, guys, 6-figure Bitcoin incoming. But you have the one level, $48,000. Let's cut the video out, guys. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully we're clear. One level, 48,000. That's it. Moving forward after 24-hour close. All right, so go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. Also, if you're new, we cover the traditional stocks if you're into that 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll see you that information when it's available. Guys, I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping out. Execute your strategies. Always be kind, positive energy. Of course, we'll talk soon, and bye for now.